Hi, Josh with Griffin Air in Hartfield, Virginia, serving the Middle Peninsula and the Northern Neck. I wanted to do a video that could save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. We've all heard of power surges. In fact, most of us have USB strips that are surge protected, protecting a lot of the electronics in our home. You may even have a flat screen TV or computer that has been affected and failed because of a power surge. Well, the most expensive appliance in your home, your heating and air conditioning equipment, should be surge protected as well. Old technologies such as PSC motors, mechanical thermostats, and single-speed compressors are becoming a thing of the past. Today's equipment is a lot more digital. Things like motors with modules, control boards, and inverter-driven compressors can all be affected by a power surge. It's even more important to protect these components because now they cost a lot more than they used to. The average motor replacement years ago would only be a few $100s, but now can cost well over $1,000 to replace a variable speed motor. Communicating systems are even more at risk. They use small millivolt DC voltage to communicate between the equipment. Any power surge would likely make these very expensive components to fail. What can you do as a homeowner? You could call Griffin Air before it's too late, and we can install surge protection in your existing HVAC equipment. So instead of losing your AC on a hot July day or your heat in that January weather, we can install some added protection, some insurance to keep your system running great. At Griffin Air, we even install surge protection with our higher end systems as a part of the installation. We'd love to earn your business. Give us a call at 804-505-0247, or you can visit us on the web at www.griffinair.net. Thank you.